Today, I want to share with you the story of this box. It looks very simple and very humble box, but the amount of inspiration and the touching feeling we got from this box is incredible. And today, we want to share with you the story of this box, a box of appreciation from one of our clients or one of our professionals who we were working on. So let's get started. So we've been working with a lot of companies and professionals for helping them to get their career to the next level, working with the companies to helping them to be successful and move to the next level of their success, or solving the different kind of problems. And this is one of the box today we have received from one of them, and it's been incredible for us to have this feeling, such kind of a box of appreciation. So let's have a look. What is inside one of this box, what we receive in VSHR Pro Academy. So let me open this box. It's a pretty warm, very nice color, and a really good feeling when I touch this box. And the very first thing in the box comes to this ID, this card, and you can clearly see this one. It's a thank you card. And when I open the inside, I can see this one is very directly been written down here, Pro Academy. And it's really blown my mind. Thank you for your professional work. And yes, we VSHR Pro Academy, and we work with professionals, and we constantly strive for providing professional services for our clients and the professionals we work with them. And such a compliment, it's really touched our heart. And thank you very much for that. And not only that, that's not all in the box. Besides that, we have the box, we have a very wonderful envelope in this one too. And it's been incredible for your appreciation and wonderful for sharing this gift with our Pro Academy, with this box of appreciation really helping us by inspiring us. And it's a clear indication that what we do for other companies, to empowering them by people, expertise, and strategy, it's an incredible journey for us. And also the way we help the professionals to take their career forward is absolutely the right thing we're doing. And we want to constantly keep doing this thing for helping more companies and help to solve their problem and take their journey toward more success. At the same time, we also wanted to continuously help what we're doing right now for helping professionals to take their career forward. So thank you again for this wonderful gift, and it really inspired us and really telling us what we're doing, and we want to keep doing for all of you in industry partners. And we're so glad that we have so many companies working with us in VSHR Pro Academy. We want to continually working with you. We want to continuously add values with you with our relentless work. And for this one, I really wanted to give a clear indication to all VSHR Pro Academy teams, interns, professionals, consultant, trainers. Thank you for your incredible work, and thank you for bringing that kind of values for professionals and our partnering companies to solve their problems and take their success journey forward. And yes, if you're watching this video, if you're already working with us, VSHR Pro Academy, thank you very much for working with us too, and we're going to work more with you. And if you have no chance to work with us yet, go ahead and feel free to connect with us. Drop us an email or drop us a comment below in this video. We will get in touch with you, and we'll work on your problems and solve your problem and to take your companies to the next level. And I'll see you there. And yes, thank you very much for this gift.